Hey, Steve Magnante here in Bogart, Georgia at the Tony Townley Collection, which will be sold by Richmond Auctions on October 24th and 25th, 2025. And the collection consists of muscle cars, trucks, tractors, and special interest antique cars like this 1931 Lincoln Model K. It's a four-door sedan, as it were, and has the V8, a 384 cubic inch V8 on a 145-inch wheelbase. 1931 was the first year for the Model K, which was basically Lincoln's premier luxury car, going up against the Duesenberg Model J and the Packard 8 in the highly contested luxury field of the 1930s and late 20s. But again, 3-speed manual transmission, no automatics at this point in time. Very analog. Everything in this is built for driving. Sometimes the chauffeur would do the hard work. The passengers would ride in the back with plenty of room. This is a four-door, we can see here. And in Lincoln tradition, and also Ford tradition, what they call suicide doors, the front doors open traditionally here. The back doors open outward like this for easier entry and egress for the people who might ride in the back of a large stately car like this one. Beautifully restored. All of the woodwork is nicely done by cabinet makers, and again, these have steel skins and cowls, but inside structures are actually made of wood, and the top is made of fabric. But again, those things are tricky to restore, but they've been done very well on this example. It's a museum piece of the first order. Great example of the breed. Model K in its first year, 1931. Bid accordingly.